boy Charger 17 3.0 coming at you guys with another video today. Today's video is about dressing on your steering wheel. Woo! It's not just about dressing on your steering wheel. I got some stuff to go on my steering wheel here. You know, as you see the door open. No, I can't, what's crazy, I got that new car smell still. And it's unbelievable how it still smells so good in here. And it's like, I do a good job by keeping it clean in here to keep that smell. It's one hell of a job to do. All I know is you just keep that smell. Just keep that smell. Same day when I pick it up, every time I get in here. So today's stuff, what we got going on, guys. And we got some stuff right here. What? All this here to go on here. Can you see that? Yeah, it's gonna go on here. I'm about to take all this off, but I know I can't take that off. So they got the 3M tape to lay down. You got this to go, to lay right over it. Perfect. Never took it out the plastic to see. Yep. With the line out black, so it works good. So it's gonna say orange scatty on there. And orange. It ain't gonna say orange scatty. It just say Scat Pack on there. And you got all the little pieces to go to your around your steering wheel here. I'm gonna get to laying it down. And yeah, I know. Like I said, it's 2021, y'all. We're going up. We're going up. Yo, I ain't do a co-start, right? I ain't do a co-start? Oh my God. How I start my video without doing a co-start? Huh? How I start my video without doing that? What? Let's get this. Woo! Ha ha ha. How I do a co-start? I mean, how I start my video without a co-start, huh? How you guys let me do that? What I said? How y'all let me do that? What I said? It's 2021. We going up. Hit that subscribe button. Definitely comment at free will. You already know what to do. Hit that like and thumbs up. Definitely share these videos, y'all. Definitely share these videos. Everything I do to my car is pretty much, I try to, I try to, like, this is like most of the stuff you can do at home, here in your own backyard, if you got a garage, either which one. A lot of the stuff I do here, you can pretty much do at a shop, but it's more fun when you're doing it at home, taking, I like to do the hands-on things and stuff, so I like to be all creative. So even though you can go to the shops and get it done, but the shops can't say they did it. No, they can't say they did this. I did this. So you hear how they get quiet? She get quiet. When I mean she get quiet, you gotta watch out. She get quiet. And then when we go like this, I'm gonna turn back on this camera. When I turn back on, that's gonna be me laying it down. Other than that, you already know what to do with that like, guys. Can't say it enough. Subscribe. All right, gang. Yeah, we back out here. And it's not too cold. So it's time to get the wiping. Get the wiping is prepping this stuff down. Prepping everything down. You guys about to see. One of those things are my paddle shifter. So you got my paddle shifters. They're orange because I paint them orange. They were silver. And yeah, they're silver. Got those off all this stuff I got here. I'm gonna put it in the link in the description. Yeah, description, or how you call it, the link for it, so, and everything. So I'm gonna put that all in there, everything. So this is to lace on this sticky icky. Got this 3M. Nice little pile shifts on there with the little orange, as you see. Yeah. There you guys, back up there. There we go. Now we're coming back for the finish. Like I said, I already done white. What the hell? Wipe these areas down again, especially this side right here, because we're close to the outside. Gonna be looking good, good, good. Let's start with the smallest one first. Smallest one first. You know, I still gotta do the back of the trunk for the take off the Dodge sign. Even though it got Dodge on the floor here, but that's gonna stay on the floor because I actually like those. So. So this is how it look, guys. That's how it look. You see it? Whoa. Nice. All right. Got my orange on my paddle shifts, yo. My orange paddle shift, the orange on the steering wheel. Just look flush. Looks good. Yeah, this is it for the video, y'all. It's your boy Charger 17 3.0 coming at you guys with another great video today. As you see, we got the paddle shift, orange on everything. Ooh, orange. That's my thumbnail, y'all. I was in there getting my thumbnail. Look. But this is your boy, Turn 17. We out to the next vlog. You already know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe, because it's 2021. We ain't got nothing to do, but there's no limit to the sky, y'all. No limit to the sky. We out to the next vlog. Peace, everybody, while you're looking at this.